Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a two command is discussed here. Guys, CATIA lecture 84 is discussed here and CATIA sheet metal 3D commands learn easily. Explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay. And guys, today discuss here CATIA sheet metal 3D commands is learn here. First command is bend and second is conical bend. Okay. Two command is set metal. Two command is very important and very useful and very okay. This is a learn easily and clearly. Okay, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface and this all 3D commands is not active. At first drawing a sheet, then all 3D commands is active. Okay, okay, this is a rectangle, center rectangle drawing here. Okay, and dimension mention here. Okay, this is a and this dimension is mentioned. Okay, and this is a 140 and this is a 90. Okay, correct. Exit and this is a sheet metal parameter and this apply at first apply sheet metal parameter, then all 3D commands is active. Okay, and this is a default value is setting here. Thickness is 2 mm and default bend radius is 4 mm and all is a default value is setting here. Okay, click OK and apply a sheet metal parameters, then all 3D commands is active. And at first click a wall and wall is generated here and this is a sheet. Okay, this is a sheet. Okay, and apply at first. Okay, this is a okay. First command is learn here bend and second is conical bend. Okay, and okay, this is a okay. Click here. First is bend and second is conical bend. Okay, okay, and at first apply a wall on edge and this is a this. Okay, and this is a this. Okay, this is a correct one is nice and this is a height is a correct. This is the height is and angle is 90°. All is perfect. Okay, 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 and this this width bend uncheck here and this is a perfect. Okay, because this two body is apply here. Okay, okay, this is a not bend here. Okay, and this is a use a first is bend and second is conical bend. At first click a bend and then this dialog box is pop up and bend definition dialog box is pop up and you can see here first is support first and support second and radius is a also default value is setting here. Parameters, this is a this sheet metal parameters is radius is 4 mm and angle is 90°. All is correct and support to support at first, then body is bend. Okay, and first is support. This is a okay. The first support and first support is wall on edge and second support is this is a wall. Okay, first is wall on edge and second is wall, then tube support is you can see here, then apply preview is showing here. This is a okay, this is a bend is correct. Okay, this is a bend is 4 mm. Okay, this is a bending. Okay, okay, you can see here easily draw here. Okay, and again this okay, this is undo and okay, this is a okay, this body is a bending and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is apply here this is a bend. Okay, and use a conical bend. At first this is a conical bend. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. And at first apply a bend. Bend means support first and support second is drawing. Okay, this is a support first, wall on edge, and support second is this is a wall, and preview is showing here. This is a preview is okay, this is a preview is, and this is a right and this is a left, and preview is showing here. This is a 4 millimeter, and click OK, and bend is okay, this is a correct. And okay, this undo is okay, this is a undo. Okay, redo is apply here. Okay, and okay, this is a bend is a uncheck. Okay, okay, and second point is a conical bend. Okay, apply here, and bend definition dialog box is pop up, and this is a variable. Support first, support second, and left radius is also variable, and right radius is also. Change the value is, and bend is this bend is left radius and right radius is not changeable. Okay, and this is a conical bend means both left radius and right radius is both is changeable. Okay, at first support first, wall on edge, and support second is wall, and left radius, this is a left and this is a right. Left radius is increase 5 and right is increase 10. Okay, this is a okay, this is a 15 is correct. Okay, 15. Left radius is 5 millimeter and right radius is 15 millimeter. Preview is showing here. This is a preview. Okay, bending preview is showing here. This is a okay. Okay, this body is correct. Bending is a, you can see here, bending is okay, this is perfect. Okay, and again apply a this. Okay, this is a perfect, and uncheck. Okay, and also you can see here, apply a bend definition dialog box is pop up, and also support first and support second. Okay, okay, and radius, left radius is a increase. Okay, 16, 18, and this is a increase a 8. Okay, this is a preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct. This body is a correct. Okay, okay, this is a perfect showing here. Okay, and this face is okay. Draw a circle. Okay, drawing here. Okay, and exit, and draw a this. Okay, both is a okay, outside inside. Okay, click preview is showing here. This is a perfect, and this face is also, this is a draw a okay ellipse. Okay, this is a ellipse, and click OK, and this is a, this body is correct. This is a okay, preview is showing here. This is a perfect. Okay, and also okay, this is a correct. Okay, material is apply here, and material is apply here. This is a metal is a steel. Okay, steel is, and this is a okay, okay, this body is a steel. Double click here, and this is a okay, reflex ref, reflexivity is a full, and this is a still. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this body is a still here. Okay, this is a perfect. Apply here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, reflectivity is full, and okay, this is a check here. Okay, this is a correct, and isometric view is drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, 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 this is a correct. Symmetric view is drawing here, and front view, and okay, this is a this view is okay, this okay, isometric view is drawing here. Okay, okay, this is perfect, guys. Okay, plane is hide and also hide. Okay, this is a correct, and some rotate. This is a looking is nice. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and zoom. Okay, this is a nice here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, guys, okay, okay, guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and carefully. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, you go to comment box and write a comment, and get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.